are at Magic Mountain. Here we are. You wanna walk there, Una? Huh? You wanna walk? Come on. Let me put your shoes on, huh? Let's try, okay? Let's go. Come on. Over here. Mm. Let's go, Una. Come on, here. You don't wanna walk? Okay, let's go back. Come on. Mm. Why are you scared? Okay, I'll open the door. Hey. Una's scared of people, so I don't want to force her to go with me. But we're gonna check this place. So they are just basically boulders, and they painted it and stuck them up. It's so nice here. So tomorrow I will make it to Utah. It's only 6 hours and 30 minutes drive. But of course, I am not gonna drive straight 6 hours. I will be having multiple stops because I wanna explore wherever I can stop and check places, you know. So yeah. Uh, all right. I'm kind of hungry. I was thinking of cooking something. I hope I can find a Walmart. I can stay there to cook, you know. Right, let's go to the van. It's getting dark. Hey girl, why are you so scared? Anymore inside because it's hot. So I just change quickly and make my bed. I am heading to Walmart to cook something for dinner tonight. And then I'm heading to the place I am going to sleep for the night. I have a couple of things that I need to get at Walmart. I hope I'll remember all of them. I'm lazy to write. It is bright and sunny. Welcome to Vegas. How are you not fit everything here? We have to make it work. I need this because I want to shower. Alright, let's go to our destination for the night. So, let me reveal where we're going. We are going to a campground. So, let's go now. I need to get water. I'm gonna refill the container that I just bought because I wanna shower at the campground. Heading our way to the campground. It's 19 minutes away only, so it's not that far. I'm here at the campground, but someone there, and I don't understand why. So I'm gonna park where there is no reservation. I'm just gonna park here, and if they ask me, I'm gonna tell them that I have reservation, but someone is there. But this is nice because I have shade here. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy. That sucks because I had to move. The people who reserved the spot just arrived and they asked me to move. I said I also have reservation. I hope no one is gonna claim this spot again because this spot was reserved May 18 to 19. I think they Let's do it one more time. Oh. Hmm. Ouch! Oh my god. What is happening? Just gonna get my chair. Yeah. Hello, Evan. Don't you wanna come out? I have enough battery. We have a disaster here. I'm gonna fix this. Let me just arrange everything